How to ruin your life. 1. Start denying the reality. This is probably the most effective way to shatter your life into pieces. Being too positive or being too negative in your approach will not have any impact on reality. The significance of a good attitude is undeniable. Anyhow, just expecting things to happen as per your wish is a highly irrational idea. Once you start denying the reality, you will not be able to perform right things at the right time. This will definitely add to your story failure. 2. Aim at making everyone happy. Yes, this is a perfect way to shred away happiness from life and will ultimately result in decreased focus. Once your focus is lost, the damage will be inevitable. Few people cannot be satisfied, and there is no point in wasting your energy. Your aim must be to benefit the maximum number of people. 3. Share your secrets. Another idea is to share your personal and business ideas with others. If you alone were not successful in pushing yourself on the path of disaster, then this trick will work for sure. 4. Substance abuse. If the ideas stated above prove ineffective, then try flooding your brain with alcohol and other kinds of drugs. It is your brain that controls body, and once you leave it over mercy of drugs and intoxicants, disasters will happen. Most of the unsuccessful people have a good heart, but a bad brain. 5. Engage yourself in endless planning. A brilliant plan is the basic necessity for accomplishment of any task with success. You can use this idea as a shield for your inactivity. Whenever someone inquires about the progress, then says, "I am planning," one day the time and opportunity will simply pass away. 6. Indulge yourself in matter of everyone. It is one of the best ways to lower your value and to invite unnecessary troubles. After an increased number of troubles, your energy level will fall, and with lesser energy and time to concentrate on priority tasks, the chances for failure will increase exponentially.